Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Metabase to Snowflake for semantic modeling, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your Snowflake account. Log into your Snowflake account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your account details, including your account identifier and the region. Now, open another tab and head over to the Metabase website. Click on the Get Started option to access the Metabase installation page. If you haven't installed Metabase yet, follow the installation instructions for your preferred platform. Once Metabase is installed, launch the application. You will be prompted to set up Metabase for the first time. Begin by creating an admin account with your email and a secure password. After setting up your account, you will be directed to the Metabase dashboard. To connect Snowflake, click on the Add Database button. From the list of database options, select Snowflake. Now, fill in the connection details. Start with the name field, and give your connection a recognizable name. Next, enter your host information, which includes your Snowflake account identifier without the domain. Specify your port, which is typically set to 443 for Snowflake. In the username field, input your Snowflake username. Now, enter your password for your Snowflake account. Next, you need to enter your default database and schema. If you're unsure about these values, you can find them in your Snowflake account. For warehouse, enter the default warehouse you wish Metabase to use for querying. Check the option for Use SSL to secure your connection to Snowflake. Once all fields are filled in, click on Save to establish the connection. Metabase will now attempt to connect to Snowflake using the details provided. This may take a moment, so be patient while the connection is being established. If the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. If there are any errors, double-check your connection details for any typos. Once connected, you can start exploring your Snowflake data right within Metabase. Begin by creating your first question or dashboard based on your Snowflake data. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Metabase to Snowflake for semantic modeling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.